starting with day 2 hair, because when you're doing a sleek style, having your hair a little bit oily definitely aids to your hair looking sleek more easily, not having to deal with as many flyaways. If your hair is freshly washed, you're definitely going to have more flyaways and little hairs kind of going everywhere because your hair is going to be so soft and clean and fluffy, especially if you have fine hair like I do. You know that when your hair is freshly washed, it is just so flyaway and so fluffy. This is my day 2 hair. It has a tiny bit of dry shampoo in it, just a tiny bit, because I don't want my hair to look greasy, but I also didn't want to completely dry it out. And we're going to start by leaving out our bangs. If you don't have bangs, I mean, mine aren't even really bangs, it's just my short layers around my face. You don't have to. You can leave long pieces. If you're going to leave long pieces, I usually suggest a thinner piece. But you can do whatever you want. You can also slick it all back. You don't have to leave any down, but I just sort of want to leave like a little bit. I don't want to carry that down the side of my face for this look. I just sort of want these pieces here. So almost sort of like a little triangle at the front, kind of what you would cut if you were going to cut bangs. And we're going to start with this guy, and I'm going to take my flat iron. You could also do this with a large barrel curling wand or curling iron. And I am just going to give it a very gentle flip. Not much. I don't want to create a curl. Just a gentle flip. And then while it's still hot, right away, I'm going to roll it up in a Velcro roller. And we're just going to leave that now. So I've got my hair parted down the middle. I'm going to leave most of the part for about 3 fingers of the part, and then I'm going to brush the rest of my hair back. So I want to keep enough of the part that my hair looks parted, but it does, in my opinion, look better if you have some of the hair farther forward brushed back as well. It's just a little bit more of an elevated look. I'm just going to switch to my brush. And I'm going to just brush everything, and we're going for a low bun, so I'm going to do it about 2 inches above the base of my neck where my hairline is, but you can have it up higher or lower, totally your call. This is just where I like to wear my lower bun styles. Now I'm just going to do a quick ponytail with a little hair tie. Can use any hair tie. I suggest something though that's not too bulky for this step, so I just did the little ponytail. And then we're going to create a bun. Now I'm going to use a scrunchie for my bun today. You don't have to use a scrunchie for the bun. You could wrap a more basic hair tie. You could use a clear hair tie for this if you want it to be completely invisible, but I am going to do a scrunchie. Twist the hair around itself. You want to twist it quite firmly, but don't twist it so much that it starts to buckle on itself. Just twist enough so you've got all your layers incorporated. Bring the hair straight up, push against this base right here, and start to spin it around. That's going to keep your bun nice and flat, and then we're just going to grab it, put that scrunchie around it. We're going to take this guy out, just gently bring that down. Perfect look for dirty hair days. Sleek bun. Get a scrunchie that matches your outfit so it's like an accessory. It does a great job at keeping your bun in place so you don't have to fuss around with bobby pins or clips or anything fussy like that. I love this for just like a quick, more elegant look on my dirty hair days if I don't want to have a messy bun or a ponytail. And you can do it with other hair ties, but I do love the scrunchie, and these scrunchies are linked in my Amazon storefront. They are a rather small scrunchie, so they do work really well, only going around your hair twice for your finer, thinner hair like mine. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. I hope that helps. Hit the like button because it really helps me out. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and leave me a comment because I love to hear from you. Bye, guys.